Welcome back. Day 31. The Higher Self in Daily Life. How to walk, act, respond, work, love, decide, and live from the highest version of yourself every single day. Your higher self is not something you visit during meditation. It is something you become. This teaches humans how. Let's begin. 1. The 6 daily modes of the higher self. AME.X framework. Every day, your higher self expresses through 6 modes. 1. Calm mode. You breathe slower. You act slower. You respond slower. Calmness is your default setting. 2. Clarity mode. Your decisions become clean. Your priorities become obvious. Your problems become simple. Clarity becomes your compass. 3. Presence mode. You stay here, not in the past, not in the future, not in the mind noise. Presence becomes your energy field. 4. Truth mode. You say what needs to be said. You stop pretending. You stop pleasing. You stop lying to yourself. Truth becomes your alignment. 5. Flow mode. You act from intuition. You move without force. You produce without stress. You attract without chasing. Flow becomes your movement. 6. Gratitude mode. You feel blessed. You feel guided. You feel connected. You feel abundant. Gratitude becomes your frequency. These 6 modes turn ordinary life into a peaceful, powerful life. 2. The Higher Self Morning Protocol. 5 minutes changes everything. 1. Sit still. 2. Hand on chest. 3. Slow breath. 4. Whisper internally. Guide me today. 5. Feel calmness fill your body. 6. Ask one question. What is the one aligned action today? 7. Move toward it. This aligns your entire day with destiny. 3. The Higher Self Evening Reset. Before sleeping, 1. Slow breath. 2. Release the day. 3. Ask, what did I learn today? 4. Feel gratitude. Feel gratitude. 5. Return to 0. Sleep becomes healing. 4. The higher self in decision making. When you are choosing, ask, does this feel right? Does this feel open? Does this feel calm? Does this feel aligned? If yes, then move. If no, then stop. If foggy, then wait. This removes 95% of life mistakes. 5. The higher self in speech. Speak slowly, simply, truthfully, calmly, clearly, with presence. Never speak from anger, fear, ego, panic. High frequency speech equals to high frequency life. 6. The higher self in relationships. When interacting, listen deeply, respond consciously, communicate truthfully, stay emotionally stable, hold boundaries, love from strength, forgive without losing yourself. Relationships transform instantly. 7. The higher self at work. At work, stay calm during pressure. Solve problems others avoid. Move with presence. Speak with clarity. Listen without ego. Act with discipline. Create with intuition. This makes you unstoppable in any field. 8. The higher self during chaos. When chaos arrives, slow your breath, widen your awareness, observe without reacting, anchor into calmness, speak little, choose carefully. Your calmness becomes leadership. 9. The higher self in money. Never chase, never panic, never force, never overthink. Act from clarity, alignment, purpose, discipline. Wealth becomes effortless. 10. The higher self daily mantra. Repeat during the day. I act from clarity. I move from calmness. I speak from truth. I create from flow. I connect with presence. I live from my higher self. This keeps your frequency elevated. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.